This is my lip repair balm and it is 100% natural. Now I created this product because I love lip balms. I use it every day, and one of my favorites had recently changed in formulation and I had an allergic reaction to one of the new ingredients. It was such a bummer. So when I got the chance to make my own, I wanted something simple and I wanted something totally natural. Now my lip balm is great for everyone. That's right, my whole family uses this lip balm and they love it. My sons request it and my husband uses it all the time. I love to put this product on before I go to sleep and in the morning because then my lips just stay nice and hydrated all day long. You can apply a lip gloss on top of it, you can apply lipstick on top of it, and it doesn't interfere. And like I said, there's only 5 ingredients. It's natural. I'm going to tell you the ingredients right here. It is organic shea butter, organic jojoba oil, it's fun to say, vitamin E, beeswax, and a little bit of essential oil. It does have a hint of peppermint, but it is not strong, it is not tingling, overbearing, sticky, none of that. It is your natural basic lip balm that you need as your staple in your life.